AGBA stock. Is it a buy 24th of April and onward? In this 1 minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my AGBA Group Holding Limited stock. It's been delivering like crazy. So from 17th of March till right around like what today, we're up 655%. That's crazy amount. And because I'm a guy that really wants to milk, we have a proof of concept that the thing is going up. I really want to milk it up, with the bullish trend and everything. I pretty much just want to be a part of that move. Let me show you how I'm approaching this. Just to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So, with AGBA Group Holding Limited, yeah, I want to see the price pretty much pull back, you know, pull back a little bit. Like if it retraces really and gives me the rules here, that's when I'm actually pulling the trigger. Other than that, it's just really just overkill. It's really just me forcing, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to FOMO in. So not financial advice. Click the first link in the description for free resources and value because it's free again, and I don't sell courses, so check out the resources.